Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off closed captions and subtitles on your YouTube videos. So if you're just browsing different videos on YouTube and you want to enable or turn that on or off, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set that up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just navigate over to whatever video you want to enable the captions for, and then select the little CC button that says subtitles/closed captions when you hover over it, and left click on that. So you should see the auto settings should appear unless there are already ones that are uploaded by the creator, in which case I believe that would be set as the default captions that would display here. If you want to adjust the closed caption settings, select the settings button, and then you can adjust where it says subtitles/CC, which is just closed caption. Click inside of here. And if there are multiple languages, you can select them from the list here, and then that would update on the video player. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.